Today we're going to talk about how you can use your tax return for a down payment on a house. We haven't seen you for a while, but Kia and myself are excited for this new year, and we are excited to give you information about mortgages as much as we can.
Yes, we are. So tax returns, it's tax season. Once you start getting your refunds back, I'm sure not a lot of people have filed just yet. Maybe you have. I haven't even thought about it yet.
Me neither.
So you can use your down payment from, you can use your IRS refund for your down payment on a house. You can use it for closing costs. You can use it for reserves. You can kind of use it for whatever you want to, house related.
So a question for you, Kia. Does the money need to be sourced or in your bank account for a certain amount of time, or can they use it right away?
So they can use it right away. So typically, most people have it direct deposited. So it'll say in your bank account, IRS, whatever it says after that, and that's enough verification.
Yeah, so I don't think a lot of people know that, because typically when you buy a house, they ask how long have you, or they need proof that you've had that in your bank account for a certain amount of time.
60
But
days,
yeah, but in this instance, you can actually use it right away. So if you're looking for a house, or you're thinking about start looking for a house, it's a good time to start thinking about it, because as soon as you file that return, I mean, you know, you're weeks away from having that money into your account, and you know, we can go ahead and get that funded for you right away.
Yeah. So last year, I remember I had a client last year that they were using their IRS down pay or refund for part of their down payment, and they didn't have it yet. We were waiting for it to show up, and it showed up like the day before closing, and I just had to prove that it was in there and what their balance was, and we closed.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So when people think about, you know, buying a house and putting money down, you know, I think they think they need 20% down. And I know we've done a video on this before on how you don't need 20% down, but really, as long as we have 3% down, we can go ahead and get you into a mortgage. So, you know, start thinking about those options as well, because next year when you get your tax return, it's going to be a lot better because you own a home. So,
right. Exactly. You can write off that interest and everything else. Yeah. So.
Awesome. Cool. Well, we wanted to make it short and sweet today and just stop by and say hi and answer that question. I know a lot of people have that on their mind right now. They're wanting to buy a house and trying to figure out how to come up with the down payment. Well, here's a good little option for you.
Exactly.
Awesome. We will see you next time. Bye.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining Kia and myself today. Our goal is to help you make the mortgage process simple. If you're ready to apply for a mortgage loan, or maybe you're thinking about buying in the near future and want to see what you can qualify for, go ahead and click on the link below and apply today. Please be sure to choose either Kia Blake or myself, Monica Brito, as your mortgage loan officer. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email addresses are posted below. And if you would like to follow us on social media, you can follow us at the below handles either on Facebook or Instagram. If you like the information that we're giving you today, be sure to like and share, and we will talk to you soon.